Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive Premium Tutorials. So here we will create scratches in this lesson all over the place. So small scratches that you used to get on items when you use them a lot. So except for the wooden side, I don't want the scratches, but and the back. So basically, mostly in the front side, I will add some scratches, especially on the screen. So what I will do here is that I will first add like a mask here. So let's see, wherever I need the scratches, I will get those masks. I will create a mask and then I will put in the opacity there. So first of all, I need the front. I will add a blend here. I will take the front mask from the UV mask shells and just arrange them this way. And what else? Where else? Like wherever you need more, maybe transformer and antenna, sides. So let's take the sides. Okay, and I will put this here. Okay. What I will do, I will press add. I will choose add in the blending mode. And I will create another blend. Put this in the background. Use add. So I will take the antenna. Put this in the foreground. Some scratches on the antenna. Usually antenna is also used a lot. So only on these places I will add the scratches. Rest I don't want. So I will bring this whole mask here. Put inside here. Okay. And what I will do here is that I will search for scratch generator. So I have all these scratches now. So I will do some changes here. So let's do some changes. So let's see what we can change here first. So spline scale, I will reduce it to 0.7, something like that. And 0.62 spline scale random. I'm just putting like lower values. So your values can be different, mine can be different, doesn't matter. So distortion 0.14 and distortion random 0.3. I will reduce the frequency very low, 0, almost no frequency. Spline width also I want very thin scratches, so 0.27. Spline position random 0.26. I don't want it to be all over spreaded. I want it to be in the center. Okay, so because I want them to be contracted, like moving all them, sprawling in the center. Then luminance, I'll keep it as it is, or luminance random 1, and then max segment 30, something like that. So spline number 256 something. And now I will add a tile sampler and put this one in the pattern input number 1. And I will go in the pattern of the time sampler and choose pattern input. Okay, and I will change the amount here to 22, 22, both have to be uniform. And then I will go down here and size random 0.61 x, 0.61 y, scale a little bit bigger so I can see at least what's going on, like something like 7.63. Okay, and then I'll go to the position random, something like 2.27, offset or 0.15 or 13, whatever suits you. So I'm getting there. I'm getting the result, what I'm looking for. Okay, I'll go down to the color and mask random. Let's try 0.22. So some of the area will be visible, some won't be visible. Then color random, 0.96, something like very low value, like not very low, lower than 1. Then global opacity. So let's see if we can change anything else here. I think I'll keep everything as it is. So no more changes, I guess. Now I will put this on the foreground and you can see weird looking scratches coming out of it. Now I will use levels here in between and I will change some of the values, like level in high I will make it 0.62 or something like 0.67, or level in mid 0.1 or 0.511. Just lower values. I'm just adding just randomly there lower values. So I'm almost getting there. Now level out high have to be reduced, like 0.021 or something, so it will create a something like this. But the scratches still, you can look at it, it's bigger, it's like it's huge for the television. Maybe for other stuff it might work, but here it's huge. Now I will change the blending mode to subtract, because it should be subtracted rather than added. And let's see, level out high I will change a little more. A subtle value I needed here, something like this, or 0.01, rather than putting a random value. Okay, so what we can do here is that I can play with the size of this these scratches. That's one thing to do. Okay, and now X amount 30. Let's see. Still it's bigger. So let's try 50. Okay. It's working fine, but let's change the level out high so that it's visible more. Okay, now it's kind of visible. So you can see you're getting some random scratches there. Okay. So let's try fixing these stuff from here. Okay, and now I will change this. You can play with the settings the way you want it. I am adding it on the wooden panel also, so let's see what we can do later on, because it's subtle, so it won't affect a lot. Or maybe later on, if we don't want, we can remove it, but for now I will add it here. Okay, let's go to the antenna. Okay, on antenna there are scratches also. Okay, so I'll just add a frame on it. And I will rename it to scratches. Okay, so now it's better. Okay, one thing happened here. Can you see? It got messed up, all these pins. I don't know what's the reason here. So let's see the blend node. Yeah, that's the issue here. I don't know what's happening here. So what I will do, double click in the empty area because we have created this exposed settings. Okay, so actually the thing is that I'm changing the preview, and preview do not save. You cannot save the preview because it's just for preview. So if you want to change the value, you have to change it in the parameters directly. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind if you're creating expose. So that's why it got resetted. So first let me check from the preview, and then I will copy paste these value inside the parameters itself. Then it won't change. Okay. That's fine. And now on the blend node, it also looks fine on the blend node. This is fine as well. What I'm going to do now is that I'll take the values and put them in the preset instead of keeping it in the preview. Otherwise, it will do the same thing. Now here, the fuse should have the scratches as well. So what I will do is that I'll go back here, create another blend node here. Okay, and bring that back because always it goes in the center of the connection. You have to bring it wherever you want manually. Go here, take this and Alt, click it here, move this down, this down as well. Double click it here, choose add, and let's see. Yep, we have it. Very subtle, but that's what we were looking for. And same thing I needed on the pins because these are metal also. Usually metal gets the scratches because they're used a lot of time. Okay, so I'll take this from here. I'll add a blend node here and use add. Take this, Alt, click it, plug it in, and use add. So they're added, and now I have some scratches on the pins as well. Okay, so I hope you have learned something in this lesson, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that or you find someone doing this, then please stop them because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off. And it will demotivate me, especially all my premium tutorials. I spend a lot of work to like create them. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all, therefore helping to get new subscribers. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.